Here we have an installation of some sheet vinyl, the kitchen and the hallway. Kind of a little unique situation because we have the kitchen proper here, and we needed to do some prep on some existing seams. So with the situation with the hallway coming around this way, instead of having the seam here, which actually came up, that's why we patched it, we are going to install a 12-foot, 23 feet long, one shot all the way through, eliminate the seam here, which will move it over here in this part of the hallway. So everything is prepped and ready to go, and we're going to bring up the material and start making all the cutouts. Now here we are. Brought on it up, a little piece of vinyl. We rolled it the long way. It's about 23 feet long. Brought it all the way up. Continued through the kitchen. So now we're positioning it off this wall, and going to open it up and make our cuts. So here we are with the material approximately positioned, making all relief cuts. Took the piece off of this here, which needed to be matched right at this seam here in the hallway. So this eliminates any seam here, with just one seam over here. So now it's just a matter of cutting it in, installing the quarter rounds, cove base, etc. So we continue. And here we have the completed installation. This is Mannington Luxury Sheet Vinyl, the Silver series, and it is the style Hive. The color is honey. And again, this is completed. As we've seen previously, we had run the floor completely through, seamlessly, all the way through into the front entrance. With the seam here, we just have a chair just over it temporarily while the seam is drying. So it runs all the way around the hallway. So this completes this project. Kind of unique. Nice color in this hexagon pattern. So if you want to see additional videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to the other videos and you can see the videos of different types of flooring installations. And while you're there, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.